Hi, my name is Emily Hanks, and this is a week 8 assignment. This week we've been focusing mostly on Angular forms and validation. In this application here, we have two areas or two tabs that we use forms, the documents and the contacts. And here we can see our documents. If we select them, it pulls it up here, and we can choose to edit this one or add a new document, and they both use the same component. But if we choose to edit, it'll pre-populate these fields with that document information. So we can choose to change and save it, and it will save it here. Or we can delete it. We can add a new document, and here you can see that validation is being done. It shows you the fields that need to be given values, and then it shows an error message. So we can just enter random stuff here. It saves it, adds it to our list. Okay, don't know why I did that one. And again, it will save the item. And next, on to our contacts. We can choose to edit the contacts or add a new one, just like with the documents. Here, the edit component, well, when you edit, it will pre-populate these fields. We can choose to add people into a group here, delete items, and save it, and it'll keep it here. Creating a new contact. The only required fields are the name and email. The phone number is not required, but if you decide to put one in, it will validate and make sure that is a correct phone number. So it won't like that one. But it'll take that one. So we can just type in. Again, we can choose to put people in as a group or not. If we add the same person into the group, even though he's already there, we'll get an error message. Or if we attempt to add a person into his own contact thingy as a group, it won't allow that. And yeah, I believe that is the end of this assignment, and that's all that's required.